Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up passkeys on Binance. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to set up your passkeys here to further secure your account, well, this one is quite easy with the use of Binance. So, in this case, you want to first open up Binance and log in into your account. Now, at the top left of the screen, you should see a person or profile icon. Go ahead and just press or click on it. And in here, you want to go ahead and choose the option that says recommended. Now, you should see different options there like P2P, alpha, convert, margin. So you should see the recommended section. Go and click on the arrow just at the right side of the recommend. So basically, we are going to see all the services that it offers, or Binance actually offers. Now, at the very top, you have the search more services. Let's go and click on it. And you want to go and just type in the following. It's going to be security. Now, the weird part or weird thing with Binance here is you won't see the security option inside your options or your settings, and it's actually inside their services. Again, you just need to search for this one. Let's go and access this. Now, from here, you should see the passkey section. You go and just click on it. And from here, go and click on the add passkey option. You see at the bottom of your screen. Now, you can go and choose either one of the following options. So if you want to use this device, or if you want to use like a USB security key, or use another device if you want to set up your passkey. Now, depending on what you choose in here, steps may differ, but typically that involves you registering that device or tapping that device at the back or enabling NFC at the on your phone in order for you to set that passkey as a security key. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.